From the heart of the Amazon to the sun-baked plains of Africa, the natural world never ceases to amaze. We've scaled mountains with snow leopards and plumbed the ocean depths with giant squid, but some of the most awe-inspiring creatures live much closer to our feet. Snakes come in all sizes, but the massive ones, they capture our imagination. And the wild part, evolution keeps repeating the giant snake experiment. Let's slither through history and meet the biggest snakes ever to live, and uncover the mystery of how they got so big. Here in the lush, vibrant Amazon basin, we find the ruler of the modern snake world, the green anaconda. This isn't just a big snake, it's the heaviest snake on Earth. Imagine a creature longer than a double-decker bus, weighing as much as a grand piano. That's the potential of a fully grown female anaconda. These snakes are masters of their watery domain. Their eyes and nostrils sit high on their heads, allowing them to submerge almost entirely, lying in wait for unsuspecting prey. Capybaras, large rodents that can grow to over 100 pounds, are a common target. But anacondas are opportunistic hunters, and there are reports of them taking down prey as large as deer and even caimans. Finding and measuring these elusive giants is a challenge in itself. Their skin, designed to stretch and contort as they move and consume large meals, makes accurate measurement a tricky business. While the anaconda holds the title for sheer weight, the reticulated python, hailing from Southeast Asia, is a contender for the longest snake alive today. These beautifully patterned serpents, with their intricate diamond markings, are a sight to behold. Unlike the water-loving anaconda, the reticulated python is equally at home in trees, on land and in water. They've been known to take down large prey, including pigs and deer, using constriction to suffocate their victims. Stories of titanic pythons stretching over 30 feet long have circulated for centuries. While these tales often crumble under scientific scrutiny, there have been documented cases of reticulated pythons reaching truly impressive sizes. Samantha, a resident of the Bronx Zoo, reached a staggering 26 feet in length, cementing her place as one of the largest snakes ever held in captivity. You might be wondering, how do these snakes get so big? Is there some secret ingredient in the water? The answer, in part, lies in a fascinating phenomenon known as the silver spoon effect. Just like in humans, a snake's early life plays a crucial role in its development. Snakes that are born into environments with abundant food and few predators have a head start in life. They grow faster, reach sexual maturity sooner, and ultimately have the potential to reach larger sizes than their less fortunate counterparts. It's a matter of resources and opportunity. It's a reminder that size isn't everything in the animal kingdom, but it certainly doesn't hurt when you're trying to survive in a world of tooth and claw. But the story of giant snakes doesn't end with the creatures we share the planet with today. If we turn back the clock millions of years, we find a world where even more colossal serpents roamed the earth. Gigantophis, an ancient monster from the Eocene epoch, slithered through the mangrove swamps of prehistoric Africa. This behemoth, reaching lengths of over 23 feet, is a testament to the incredible scale of prehistoric life. Then there's Wanambi, Australia's Ice Age serpent. This massive snake lived alongside early humans, sharing the landscape with giant monitor lizards and marsupial lions. Wanambi is a chilling reminder that the world our ancestors inhabited was vastly different from our own. But perhaps the most astonishing discovery of all lies beneath the waves. Imagine a snake so large it could swallow a crocodile whole. That's Titanoboa kerajonensis, the undisputed king of the prehistoric snake world. Unearthed in the coal mines of Colombia, Titanoboa's fossilized vertebrae paint a picture of a creature that dwarfed even the largest anacondas alive today. This colossal serpent, measuring an estimated 46 feet long and weighing over a ton, thrived in the hot, humid climate of a post-dinosaur world. Imagine a world where the average temperature was significantly higher than it is today, where dense rainforests covered much of the globe. This was the world that Titanoboa ruled. Its massive size allowed it to hunt large prey, including giant turtles, prehistoric crocodiles, and even early mammals that dared to venture too close to the water's edge. But Titanoboa might not be the last word in giant snakes. In the fossil beds of India, scientists unearthed the remains of another colossal serpent, one that might challenge Titanoboa's reign. We call this enigmatic giant Vasuki. Based on the limited fossil evidence, some paleontologists believe Vasuki could have reached lengths exceeding 50 feet, potentially making it the largest snake to ever slither the earth. While much about Vasuki remains shrouded in mystery, its existence hints at an even more awe-inspiring prehistoric world than we previously imagined. It's a tantalizing glimpse into a time when giants ruled the planet. From the steamy jungles of the Amazon to the dusty fossil beds of ancient continents, the story of giant snakes is a testament to the power of evolution and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Giant snakes have evolved again and again, on land, in rivers, and even the sea. From anacondas to Titanoboa, these slithering giants push the limits of biology. And with every fossil discovery, we get a step closer to answering how big can life get on Earth. The search for bigger, more impressive creatures continues. Who knows what other giants lie hidden, waiting to be unearthed from the depths of